Hello traders, this is a technical analysis video for AVAX. John, if you are listening, this is for you. This is the weekly chart because I want to look at AVAX from a broader perspective. First, AVAX is moving in what could be, in my opinion, a Wyckoff accumulation pattern, which is in and of itself, it is bullish in my opinion, because any asset that has a large entity, market maker, or the composite man, what Wyckoff calls the composite man, that is interested in the asset, it's a good sign, because it means that eventually this asset will appreciate in price. You can see that AVAX reached its selling climax on June of 2022. It had an automatic rally to $35, and ever since then it has been moving in a downward sloping channel in what looks like an accumulation pattern. This is a sign of weakness and uptrust actions. Now, if we are holding to the idea of a Wyckoff accumulation pattern, then we need to expect a spring. What is a spring? A spring is a drop below the range, and this move down shakes out all the weak hands, and from there the asset keeps going up, appreciating in price until it breaks above the range high, and it is starting its move upwards. Now, short term, I think that AVAX is pretty much oversold. This is the weekly chart. It is at 31.5 on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, just a moment. On the daily chart, AVAX looks oversold as well. And in my opinion, if it can get above the $9 level, which is currently resistance, and hold it as support, and if it gets above this diagonal resistance line, then in my opinion, first the 990 level and then the 1050 level are not out of the question, and possibly even higher. But if we are talking short term, I have high conviction that if it gets above $9, it could go up to almost 11, but I cannot say that I have high conviction that this is the low for AVAX. In my opinion, it still has a way to go lower to this liquidity zone, possibly to the $6 or $7 level. I don't think it's out of the question at all for AVAX long term. However, as far as DCA is concerned, in my opinion, if I was interested in accumulating AVAX, I would start today, right now, because you can never tell if you will really get that really low price. And currently AVAX's price is what, 150, 1 in 15 of its all-time high. In my opinion, for DCA, it's good enough, and I would just keep accumulating more and more if it will go lower. This is what investors with high conviction do. That's all I have for you on AVAX. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video.